video is going to be some other tips and tricks to add to make your video a little bit better. We're going to start with our hype. So we put in that title, the hype, but it stays there for the whole time I'm dancing until the hype clip is over. When that clip ends, then the hype title goes away. But I want it to go away like right in the middle. So I want it to show up, and then right about here I want it to go away. Now we can trick the iPad by selecting and splitting this clip. So if I hit Actions, the scissors, and then we're going to click Split, you can see I made it into two different clips. We've done this before, but what happens is the title just stays with the first clip. So you can see there it is, the hype, it goes through, and then it goes away, and my video continues with me doing the dance. Now if I don't put a transition there, if I leave it that blank bar, when I hit play, you'll see that it still looks like it's one long video, just the title will go away. So you can see that it doesn't really change anything, but it gets rid of that title. Now if I put a transition in there, it'll look like two different dances, and I don't want it to look like two different dances. I want it to look like it's me doing the hype the whole time, but we've gotten that title to stop halfway through the dance, and then I keep doing the dance without the title. Okay, the next trick I want to do is I want to add some applause at the end. There's nobody in this room to clap for me, but I feel like I did a good job, so I want to hear some clapping. And the way you do that is you hit the plus sign, and we have our audio, but we're going to go back to sound effects. So if you click on sound effects, we have a bunch of different options, and here is applause. So I'm going to click applause, and you drops it in at the very end, okay? And I want it to start a little bit sooner than that. So if I click and hold on it, I now can move it. So I'm going to start it right before my dancing is over. So let's see if that's a good time. So dance, 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 and then that's when the applause will start. So hit play. I like it. So you can see that it starts clapping right there, and right when I start to walk away. You can also see that the music has gone all the way to the end as well. It's fit the whole clip. So now I have some clapping for my wonderful efforts. The last thing I want to do is add an intro slide or an intro clip. And I don't want to just hit play and have me dancing right away. So what I want to do is I want like a blank screen that I can put a title on. We don't have a blank screen, so we're going to have to pretend to make one. And the way we do that is we're going to hit the camera button. So if you hit the camera button, okay, you're now able to video or take photos right in iMovie. So I'm going to change this to photo. And I don't want this to be my picture in the beginning. I want it to be blank. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my hand and cover up the camera so it's black. Hit take the photo. And then the bottom it says use photo. Yeah, I want to use this blank photo, and it's going to put it in right there. So it's nothing, it's just blank. But now I can put a nice title over it, and you know how to do that. Click the clip, click titles. Let's go with line title, and we'll click that. And this one you have two options. So we'll put Mr. Evans, and then the bottom one. We'll click that, delete it. Dancing. Okay, click done. So there is my title for the very beginning before I even start dancing. So let's see what that looks like if I hit play. And you can see that iMovie even put a transition in for me. They did the dissolve, but I don't want dissolve. I want to do, let's do wipe and see what that looks like. So I'm going to switch it to wipe, and I'll just start right here. Hit play. So you can see the title wipes away, and it goes straight into me dancing. So that's kind of a neat way to start the video. The last thing I want to do for my video is I want my music to start like a second after my video starts. I don't want it to be at the very beginning. So you can see as soon as you hit play, the music starts. But I want that title to show up a little bit sooner, maybe like the line to go through and then the music to start. Because my music is green, it means I can't move it. We have to change it to blue, which allows you to move it wherever you want. So if I click on it, tap that, you get the yellow outline. And down here at the bottom, you can see it says split, foreground, and then duplicate, which you can't touch right now. So what I want to click on is foreground, and that makes the clip blue. Now I have the ability to move it around, just like I did with my applause. So I'm going to click on it, I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to just scoot it forward a little bit, maybe like right there. So let's go see what it looks like. Here's the beginning of the video, and I want a little bit further than that. So I'm going to go a little bit over, a little bit more. Let's try that. So here's the video, the line goes through, and then the music starts. So let's listen. Yeah, so the line almost gets all the way through for the title, and then the music begins. So I like that a little bit better. And then I don't need the music to go this far afterwards. You can see my video clip ends here, and I still have all this music. I like the applause at the end, but I don't want all that music. So if I tap on it, and I hold down on that big yellow piece at the end, I can now drag. I can shorten it if I drag it back and forth. So I'm going to go right about there. So just after my clip ends. So let's see what that sounds like with the applause. So we're going to have. All right, so there's your full video. We have our nice intro. We have a wipe into the first dance with the title. We have a dissolve into the second dance, and then we split that clip so that the title would go away. And then we have a fade out into our third dance, an applause at the end, and we have our final movie. When you're all done, at the left, at the very top, click done. We can title this whatever we would like. Dancing. And now you're ready to hit the share to share that video wherever you need to.